This is a cartoon version of me I can use to start creating content online without ever showing my real face on the camera. Do you want to start creating content online but don't want to show your face? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make talking cartoon version of yourself using AI, just like this one you're watching right now. It's fun and easy to make, so here's how you can do it. So in order to achieve this, we'll be using two websites, one for creating your cartoon images and the other one for animating the video. The first website for generating your image is called chatgpt.com. As you can see like this, just go to this website and it's going to bring you over to this point. As for you, if you are new, you just need to register an account and you'll be brought over to this panel. The second thing you need to do is just to click on this point that says add photos and files. Now you need to have an image of yourself. Since you're trying to animate a cartoon that is going to look like you, have a photo of yourself that you'll be using to do that. Now just click on this point and add the image. Click here, add photos. So as you can see, for me, my image is already here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to type in a prompt so that it knows the kind of image I'm trying to generate. So I'll just paste in my prompt right here. I already have this prompt available. If you look at it right here, this particular prompt is for generating your image. It will be on the description of this video. Download it and just use it. So as for me, I'm going to copy it and paste there inside ChatGPT. So I've pasted it. If you look at it, transform this image into a vibrant Ghibli style character. It should be 16:9 size for it to fit for YouTube. Now, because I'm creating this for a YouTube video, I'm giving it the size that it's going to use. As for you, whatever size you are doing, if you are creating for TikTok, Instagram, give it the actual size. So right now I'm going to click on generate and my image will be generated. So as you can see right now, they say my image is processing and lots of people are creating images at this time, so I will have to wait. So as for you, just wait for about 2 to 3 minutes and your image will be ready. So let me drink some water while I wait for this. Okay guys, so as you can see, my image has been created. It's looking great right here. So if I want to change anything right now, I can just type in some chat prompts here and tell it, okay, change this. I can tell it to change the color of my shirt to blue. I can tell it to do anything around here. It's going to give me more generations of the kind of video I want. But for me, I'm going to use this one since it's a video I do it, and we'll move over to animating this image for it to be a talking version of me. And to do that, we'll be using this website called hedra.com. To do it, just go to hedra.com and open it up. So this is how the website looks like. All you just have to do is to upload your image here and it's going to convert it to a video. So, but first of all, you need to be signed in. Just sign in. As you can see me right here, I'm already signed in. And as you can see, I'm using the free tier, which gives me about 400 credit. I've used about 80 credit before. And you can create about 3 to 4 videos of about 15 seconds with this. So that being said, let's start creating our video. So to do that, just head over to this part that says video, click on it. And it's going to bring you over to this point that says create a video with character 3. So all you just have to do is for you to upload the image which you have created. Ensure you have downloaded it to your device already. And then you click on this point that says start frame to upload your image. So you can create a new image using a prompt, or you can capture an image probably with your camera or upload. As for me, I'm uploading. As you can see, my image is here. The next thing I will do is to upload an audio script. Now, this is where your own voice comes in. You are using a cartoon version of yourself and then you are using your own voice. You can record your voice with your sound recorder on your phone and then just upload it right here. So you can upload the audio, or you can even record directly on the website or generate a speech. You understand? If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use websites like 11 Labs or Fish.audio. I have a video that I've done about that. You can check it on the link in the description of this video and then generate a AI voice you can use. As for me, I'll upload my own voice. Okay guys, so as you can see, my audio has been uploaded here. And as you can see right here, they say you should upload an audio that is at least 20 seconds. It should not be more than 20 seconds. You understand? So mine is over 28 seconds. All I'm just going to do is to just trim it down to about 19 seconds like this. Then I can use it. I can then add B-rolls, which is like some other videos to complement where I'm talking in my editing, final editing. So but for this, ensure you capture 20 seconds. If you want to do more videos, do every 20 seconds to achieve about 60 seconds for 1 minute. So also you can reduce the noise if your audio has noise, and you can also change your voice to any of their inbuilt voice, their AI voice right here. As for me, I'm using my real voice. I'm just going to add the audio to the video. My audio has been added, my image has been added. Then right now, just at this point that says header character, you can only use the header character tree. And your video size, you can see you can change it to whatever one. Do you want 9:16, which is for like TikTok, Instagram, or do you want 16:9? I'm doing a YouTube video, so this is it. So this point now, leave it on 720. Then this point, leave it on auto. So right now, this is the last point before we create the video. This is where you type in a prompt of what you want your character to be doing. So you can type in anything. I want him to be talking while looking at the window, anything you want him to do. As for me, I already have what I want my character to do, and that is already in the prompt I have on the description of this video, which is this my prompt right here. So as you can see, this is the prompt for my video. His hands moving naturally as he emphasizes on key points. So all I just do right now is to copy it and paste on that point where they need me to give my prompt. So as you can see, my prompt is ready. So all I can do, if I like my prompt, what I'll just do right now is to click on this point that says generate. They are going to use 120 credits to generate this particular video for me. So I just click on generate. So as for you right now, they say you have to wait for about 993 generations of people who are already in queue to start creating their own video. So what you just have to do right now is to just ignore that. You have to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just click on continue and your video will start generating. So as you can see, preparing to generate your video, this might take a little while, so you can just leave it right now and go and do something, and when your video is done, you'll get to see your video. So I'll be doing the same right now. When the video is ready, I'll show you the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, my video is ready right now. If I play it, you get to see how it looks. This is a cartoon version of me I can use to start creating content online with. Okay guys, so amazing. So this is how simple it is for you to create talking cartoon AI characters of yourself just like this. So what you can do is just click on this point that says download it to your device, and then you can begin to use it to upload wherever you want to upload to. So this is how you create this kind of videos. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment saying that you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel so you get notified about videos just like this. Talking about videos, this is another video that YouTube wants you to watch from my channel. See you in that video.